Kamen Rider episode 4. Let's go.
I suspect you imposter. 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 You're an imposter. You're the imposter. You're an imposter. You're an imposter. Yeah. Hicker. Hicker. Nobody cares about you stupid villain rap. Shut it. Okay, I'll bite you. I'll bite you. Biting. You. Biting you. Yeah, that one's a Pershing. It's a furphy. It's a furphy! It's a furphy! Oh. Ah! Whoa. Oh my gosh! The place I love. Oh, now it's flooded. Oh, sadly. Ah! I keep dying every time. I go to find out. Speak goodbye. Let's try some glitches so we can get down! Help me! Call the bird savers! Call the bird savers! Please! Help me! You know what? I'm not drinking water. I can just myself and just go back. No! Kill me. I'm not a turkey. I'm not a freaking chicken or a turkey. I'm a freaking shoebill. Come on. Can't find it. Ow! You waddle! How do I freaking dodge this plane? Oh no. I cannot find this meeting. Well, I should do this. Oh, no, shoot! I almost got it. Almost got. Oh no! That's this. You almost scared me. Ding. No, finger. No, finger, no. Don't kill me. Wait, what does kill me to? Look where you're not. I'm putting you there. Just birdsy, whatever your name is, don't kill me. Please don't make me dead in any second, or I'll die. Oh, come on, this piece box. We can bring it. Yes. We got him! Now let's return it to the overworld. We're in the forest-scape. Now let's back to the overworld. Am I sure that's the actual? wait, hold up. Let's do outro. You have watched this. Thank you for watching this. I'm watching the bumps and then I'm flying. We are flying. Series called Comedy Bird. Now it's time for the outro. See you guys later. Now we're on the beatbox a little bit.